welcome back to another video. Oh, I am Saransh and today we will learn how to install VS Code step by step. So first go to the Google Chrome, then type VS Code is download for Windows. I will share a link in the description. No need to search, and this website is for Mac, Linux and Windows. So I have Windows 11, so I will click on Windows 11. Then this type of interface will open. You have to click on direct download link. Then it will install automatically. Then click open this exe file. Accept the agreement. Next. Choose the name of the file. Next. Next. Create a desktop icon. Next and install. It will depend on your Wi-Fi how fast it will install. Now click on finish. If you want to launch your VS Code directly, so you can do it. Otherwise, uncheck this option. See, our VS Code has downloaded here. Now there's a website from the GitHub that gives you the plus 5 languages to perform. You don't need to download it one by one from the installing VS Code as this tab. Extension tab. Search cs50.dev. Now it will open. The most important thing to use this website, you have to have your GitHub ID. Then first login. Then after that, if you want to open this visual CS50 on your VS Code, so it is a type of VS Code.web. So if you click on restart code space, it will start your code space in this Chrome only. So I want to open in VS Code desktop. And congratulations, your VS Code setup is done. Bye and meet you at the another video.